Join me as I dive into the world of crypto and see if I can snag a free grass airdrop before it's too late. One thing that's always exciting in the crypto space is the prospect of getting free crypto. And that's exactly what we're talking about today, grass airdrops. This particular one is especially exciting because of its potential to give investors a significant edge. And I'm going to share all the details with you. When it comes to airdrops, there are a lot of misconceptions out there. Some people think they're scams, while others believe they're only for tech-savvy individuals. But the truth is, airdrops can be a great way to get in on the ground floor of new projects and reap the benefits. That being said, it's true that there are some challenges when it comes to obtaining airdrops. For one, there are a lot of scams out there, and it can be hard to separate the legitimate opportunities from the fake ones. Another challenge is that airdrops often require a certain level of technical knowledge, which can be intimidating for those who are new to the crypto space. And even if you do manage to find a legitimate airdrop, the process of claiming it can be complicated and time-consuming. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate all of that and show you how to claim your free grass airdrop. Airdrops are often used as a marketing tool to generate buzz around a new project. In exchange for providing some basic information or completing a simple task, you're rewarded with a certain amount of free crypto. It's a win-win for both the project creators and the participants. And it's a great way to get in on the ground floor of something that could potentially be huge. Let's talk about how the grass airdrop works. In order to be eligible, you'll need to meet certain requirements, such as holding a specific amount of a particular crypto in your wallet or completing a series of tasks. Once you've met those requirements, you'll be rewarded with a certain amount of grass crypto, which you can then use as you see fit. If you're new to airdrops, you might be wondering what makes this one so special. Well, for starters, Grass has already seen some significant successes in the past. For example, one of their earlier airdrops resulted in a massive surge in value, making participants a nice profit. And with this latest airdrop, the potential for gains is even higher. So, are you ready to learn how to participate in the Grass airdrop and snag some free crypto for yourself? Here's the deal: the process is actually pretty simple. First, you'll need to make sure you meet the requirements, which I'll walk you through in just a minute. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the world of crypto, and check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your crypto investments.